Hi, this is Judy and Mommy Dean here, and have you ever wanted your child to browse safely on the internet, but not really sure how to do that, how to make it easy for them? Well, I'd like to explain how you can convert a website that for safe browsing, like KidRex, into an icon that looks like an app that your kid can just click on when they're on their device. So what we're going to do here is we are going to go to the little box at the bottom. Looks like it's a share button. And when you click on that, it will ask you a bunch of stuff, and you're going to choose the one that says Add to Home Screen. It's the button that has the plus in the side, the square. When you do that, watch what happens. Yep, you're going to add that. Yep. And now it's going to make it so easy peasy. It's right there on my device as it looks like a little app, and I can open it up and ta-da, there it is. Now let's say I don't want this one. No problem. Doesn't have to be KidRex. I'm going to go to Kiddle.co. That's another great one. It's a visual website, search service, and has no ads. I like that. And it has more features than KidRex. I even like that more. So I am going to now choose that one, add it to my home screen. Yep, that's the name of the device. The icon is Kiddle. That could be pretty much for any of websites that you would like to save. Let's say I don't want this one. Let's say that I want to have a different one, like, I don't know, National Geographic Kids. So here it comes. Click on that. This is not a search engine, this is just a website, but still, nevertheless, it should be the same principle that when we click on the share button and we add it to the we add it to the home screen, ta-da, it should create a little icon that makes it really easy. So let's see, does it work? By Jove, it does. So there you have it. An easy way to create an icon that will open up easily for children to be able to access safe web browsers or websites that they frequently go to. Hope this was helpful, and have a great day.